Guys, today we're working on a 92 Buick Park Avenue Ultra Supercharged, a relic. But get out of here, Sonny. We got a bad hub bearing. Figured I'd show you guys what it looks like, man. Guys, stupid shit strikes again. Somebody put a new hose on there at some time for the brake. But they never fastened it down. It's supposed to go right in there with a bolt. Oh well, I guess it's alright, whatever. We'll be fixing that. Alright, bring it back in a bit. Well, guys, I thought we had a bad hub, which it might be bad. I'll find out here in a minute, but let me see if I can hold you all kind of steady. Flip it over. Y'all see that shit? All of them are loose. Let's see if I can get the other one. Look at it. Somebody, whoever did that, I think might have done this too. Oh my god, somebody gonna get somebody killed. Yeah, we'll pop them out. Put some anti-seize on them, run them in. See if the hub still has play in it. Jesus Christ. Bring you all back in a bit. Alright guys, got rid of the weeble wobble. They're in there with thread locker. Tight. We're gonna put this back together and make sure this hub ain't got no play in it. And if it don't, we'll show the customer what happened, and you know, we saved them a little money. Take the hub back. I'll let you know what's up here in a bit. I just wanted you guys to see I put that bolt in. Strap that brake line down properly. Alright, we'll throw the wheel on, let you know what's up. Well, alright guys, we got her put back together. All the wobble's gone out of it. Call that fix and a win. Just so y'all know I wasn't screwing with you. Supercharged 38 Hyundai, and it's still hooked up. You don't see too many of these. Definitely a relic. Too bad she's rotting out. But thanks for hanging out, guys. We'll see you on the next one.